The first major difference between Galaxy Watch 4 Classic and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is the screen quality and the subsequent glare that they produce. There is a sapphire crystal protection on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which is supposed to be more scratch resistant and tougher as compared to the Gorilla Glass protection on Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. But the downside of this tougher glass on the newer model is the considerable amount of glare it produces, which can become quite irritating in some conditions. Next is the battery capacity. The battery size on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is 590 mAh as compared to the 360 mAh on the bigger model of Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. And this difference in battery capacity also manifests in the battery life of these two watches. It is easy to get 2 to 3 days of battery life on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and around 1 to 2 days on Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Couple of times I have gotten around 4.5 days of battery life on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which included wearing it at night as well. I did it by managing several features of the watch and setting it up for my usage. Another glaring difference is the bezel between these two watches. Where Galaxy Watch 4 Classic has a mechanical rotating bezel, it's missing on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and in its place we get a touch-sensitive bezel with the fake clicks induced by the vibration motor in the watch. While initially I stuck around using the touch bezel, but eventually I just let it go and switched to the screen for navigating around the watch. I ended up just disabling the touch bezel from the settings because it is nowhere as accurate and easy to use as a real mechanical one on Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Another major difference between the two models is the temperature sensor on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which can measure the screen temperature. Although not active right now, in some future update Samsung will enable it with a software that will allow the users to measure their body temperature. On the other hand, the hardware just doesn't exist on Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. And lastly, there is a big difference in how both of these watches charge. Galaxy Watch 5 Pro ships with the 10-watt fast charger, which is more compact and features a USB-C, whereas the charger that ships with the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is a slower 5-watt charger with a regular USB-A, and it takes considerably longer to charge the watch.